Hello guys, today I'm gonna be doing another video how to make toxin extraction using chromatography, and in other case it's gonna be solid phase extraction, simply SPE, and we're gonna process frozen samples, and that's why we're not gonna using filters for them. We will be using cartridge only with C8 or C18 and with reverse phase and with normal phase, which is NH2. We're gonna be working in the gloves for sure because it's important working with the gloves using the toxic strains, and we're gonna be simply using this machine pump with the this is the pump, and to turn it on you need to go to the other side, and with these chambers we're gonna have all other solution going down, and this is the cartridges, and this is additional thing just to make it easier not to add little by little, because we're gonna need 60 milliliters of sample. Anyways, it's the starting point. We're doing chromatography with samples, and they're gonna be undergoing the MC mass spec to figure out if they have cyanotoxins or not, basically microsystins. Okay, clean cartridges or SPE columns, which is those ones, we can grab in here in the drawer with the label SPE cartridges. I think it's pretty straightforward, clear and good. And after we're gonna put them into this box, and before we're gonna start charging the filter with the silicone bits or particles, we need to wash it, and for that we're gonna add about 3 milliliters of DI water to wash. But the important part that we're not gonna dry it, so it's gonna be wet. And after that we're gonna use 3 microliters of methanol for charging, and I'm gonna explain it in the next video. After that we need to dilute charged particles with DI water again, and for that we're gonna add 9 milliliters DI water, I'm sorry. And only after that, after charging process, we need to load the sample. After load the sample, you're gonna go and chill for a bit, because it's taking a time to do that. And sometimes when the samples are very concentrated, need to run entire 60 milliliters of sample. It can be less. So, and after we load the samples, we need to rinse with DI water. It's just, you can put DI water from the bottle to the sides, and it's gonna go down. After, you need to dry out the cartridge. This part you need to dry out, and right now our sample is ready to be extracted. So we have particles inside will be charged with the ethanol tails, and we're gonna add so on this step we're gonna grab this glasses amber large vials. I'm sorry for this orientation, but you can have image. and we're gonna put them to the rack, like here in stock here, and we're gonna put, we're gonna grab, I'm sorry, these tiny cartridges and put them into the glass vials, and extract gonna go from here. We're gonna washing it, and then it's gonna come to vial. And for extraction of toxin, and I think it's microcysteines, we can use 75% of methanol for cyanotoxins, and also we can use 80% acetylnitrile plus 20% water with 0.1% of formic acid, and it's also working pretty good, but it's pretty pricey. Maybe methanol is cheaper, but I'm not sure. So anyways, here we need to wait for a while and be sure that it's inside the vials and it's ready to go to mass spec.